bringing the jobs back to mine and my own stuff really.
Fair enough.
Yeah, I don't really do.
But if you get stuck in Essex somewhere and you're willing to pay ridiculous money, I'm sure Glen is willing to come out.
Ridiculous money, yeah.
It's true, right? Someone calls you and says, I need to be taken back to central London, I'll give you £1,000.
Oh yeah, I'll get it. I'll get it out of bed, don't I?
There you go. So yeah, if you got stupid money in your pocket and you need a recovery, let us know. What's commission saying, Glen?
What's happening, guys, and welcome back to Deadly TV. You join us here today at RK Tuning, collecting the R34 Gtr and sending it off for paint. I know you guys have been waiting patiently, so have we, but the time has now come for our slot at the body shop. So massive thanks to Glen at GS Automotive for helping us transport the beast, and we can't wait to get it there.
It looks like the Skyline is getting stolen right now.
This car's going to need a full respray, guys. It's going to need the engine bay done, inside the boot, the door shuts, the full works.
And we couldn't have chosen a better garage to carry out the works. Pristine Classic Cars do absolutely phenomenal jobs. You're going to meet Mick now, the owner, and see the cars that they work on. Right guys, before we head off, a quick word from our sponsors, Easy Car Claims.
Dealing with a car accident can be really stressful. That's where Easy Car Claims can help.
Whether you need quick claim processing, safe vehicle storage, or a replacement car, Easy Car Claims has everything covered, from repairs to personal injury support, and there's no extra fees.
They handle both fault and non-fault claims, including for PCR driving.
The service is available all over the UK.
So if you're ever in an accident, go to easycarclaims.co.uk, follow the simple steps, and let them take care of everything. Your accident is their priority.
Right guys, let's get back to the video.
Smile, Omar, we're on camera.
Yeah, man, I didn't know. Like, obviously, just come to your place for the first time, and now I could get an idea of the level of work you guys do.
That's it.
You know? How long have you been in the trade for, doing like restorations?
24 years.
I haven't even gone in yet, and I could see like the level of like restos you guys are doing is like next levels. And I think your customers there were saying they've got a classic Alpina in there as well.
So Omar's had it, I think about 40 years. The car, and we've just built it, and we've just fitted. Well, we've retrofitted electric steering, air conditioning to it, but to try and make it look
and modernise the old classic cars and bring them into new tech.
Yeah. So
because everyone needs like new air conditioning systems in the car.
Yeah.
You know, nowadays.
Yes.
No problem. So you can show us your BMW.
Yeah, we can have a look at the LP.
Yes.
Omar can show us his BMW. How long have you had it for anyway?
40 plus.
40 plus years.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
It'll be interesting to see how it's come out. What is the job finished now? Yeah. So
it's really close.
Okay, really close.
Really close. Okay. Yeah.
Are you excited? Yeah.
I am.
Yeah. It sat in the garage for how long was it in the garage? I mean, it was like.
In the garage, 27
when was it?
years.
Yeah, 27. Yeah.
Our age. We sat in the garage for 27 years.
27 years.
Wow. What made you decide like to get it back on the road now?
I was on YouTube every night. Where can I send it for restoration?
Yeah.
You know, my son found Mr. Mick, and without my, without telling me, he brought the car here to surprise me.
I hope you guys are enjoying the content so far. While we are offloading the car, please use this time to like, subscribe, comment, and put the bell on so you don't miss the next update on the R34.
No, you can guide us, Omar. Be the project manager. Can we just nose it over there, guys? Somewhere over there. Yeah, that'd be fine. Just somewhere over there, guys. So yeah, that's the 1964 Mercedes 600, number 96 of the production line, right-hand drive.
So this having like a full like rest.
Yeah, so that's already had 3,000 hours of work. Would you believe? Yeah, already to this stage. It's ready for final prep and paint now. So the body's
check it
Yeah,
out.
it's ready for.
Fully primed.
Yeah, it's ready for final flat.
How
and,
long is this thing?
I think it's 20 foot, pretty much 20 foot. And this is this is a short wheelbase. They do a 6-door.
6-door.
Well, 6-door with the with the back.
One of those presidential vehicles.
Saddam Hussein had one.
Is it?
Yeah, John Lennon had one, believe it or not. Yeah, exactly what this is, yeah. And they had presidential roof where it opened at the back so that they would sleep, you know, go down the line.
So it actually was a presidential car?
Yeah. This was from, I think it's from Kenya, from a big estate in Kenya, like a king of Kenya or whatever, yeah. A BMW 2002 Turbo. You know the 2002 model? Yeah. Again, limited runs of them. We've got another one over there. Yeah, 2002 Turbo. That's a E21, which is becoming a
specialise in well, I know you specialise in everything, but as in like a lot of classic cars, but there's a lot of BMs that you're dealing with.
Yeah, that's it. Well, I used to specialise in BMs over through the 90s, and
Front end done to it or something?
I knew everything. Yeah, so it had a total build. This one, the whole thing. Yeah, it's
You want to see the engine bay on this thing? It's looking so clean. Wow.
Yeah, so it's the E21, 1981, I think this one. 316, but it's having modern running gear in it, bolt-in hoop, carpet just through the middle, so a sort of fast road car, track car. You know. It's a M6, E24 M6.
So it's a M6, M24. What year model would that fall
That's an
under?
86.
86. So
Yeah, so with the, again, you know, they're the thing of the day. I mean, straight 624 valve, limit slip diff, dogleg gearbox, you know, they were a thing of the day. The genuine M6, the first M6.
you literally just took it back to metal here.
Yeah, it'd be a total build, but there's no welding on this car. It's unbelievable. It's
really clean.
Unbelievable. It's like a cosmetic restoration, if you like, of all the trim, the engine, the axles, the bright work, but even the interior is unbelievable. Just the front seats, the trim
nice
only.
and original,
Original
So is
car.
the customer going back OEM on this car?
OEM because of the value of them now. They've had a big spike, value-wise. So
How much is one of these worth now?
sort of 100, 110-ish. Yeah, for a genuine M6. And it's a one owner with 30,000 miles as well, which is unheard of. 3-door Cosworth.
Is that in the spray booth? Right?
Yeah, it is. Yeah, it's covered now. Just a tiny bit on the rear panel, but original one owner car from new, and I think that's 40,000 miles as well, actually.
Low mileage.
Yeah, really nice one. Moonstone blue, completely original. Just a tiny rework on the back.
Just had a full respray or
No. We've just done a dent removal round it, and the rear panel's is exposed at the moment. This is sheeted up for the overspray, and we're doing a tiny repair on the back panel, just a tiny little imperfection.
Do you guys do a newer car? If, like, I want to get my son.
Yeah, absolutely. All these are toys for everyone, aren't they?
Wow, it's got.
Yeah, this is Omar. This is Omar's
another
Alpina,
section.
genuine C1 2.3. So genuine C. It has the stripes to go on it as yet, but other than that, it's completely as factory. So, but we fitted the air conditioning and the electric steering to it. So we've tried to hide it as best we possibly can.
This
so.
looks really clean, man. Like,
Yeah.
How long has this taken?
It's about a year and a half project, roughly.
Is this the Alpina?
This is the Alpina, yeah, genuine one with the crazy.
Do you hear it? It's a funny squeaky sound.
We've got door
This is
panels
the
going
interior.
on.
The interior looks amazing. In
Yes,
So
unbelievable.
what material is that they have? It's just normal sort of fabric?
Yeah, we had to get that in Holland. So it's shield bucket seats, which is what
Like, I've never
BMW
seen
used.
one.
Yeah, it's mad. And the stripes, they're great, all big stripes down the side. The Alpina has red clocks in the dashboard as well, which it's got. Original
So it
boot
looks
spoiler.
like the E30, but is this an E21?
E21.
E21.
Yeah, same
so the
E21.
E21 came out before the E30, right?
Yes,
Yeah.
yeah. After the 2002, it was E21, then E30, E36, E46, you know, and so on. So
That looks proper, man.
shame it's not on one of our. That can't go up, can it? Not really, no. Shame you could get some if you can get a camera underneath, maybe. Tricky car to build because it's exclusive Alpina bits and it's really hard to have so for probably a year and a
The
half
uncle
roughly.
here who owns it, man, he's so passionate about his Shunar Bangla, innit? What's this thing up here?
That is a Lincoln Capri, which the owner does Mille Miglia racing. You know, Mille Miglia, the 1,000-mile race in Italy.
So look at this.
Yeah, E24 6 Series, a non-M, but it's a Highline 6 Series. You know, he bought one, restored it, and has had it adapted so you can still enjoy it. So, and that's an Alfa Romeo Montreal with the 2.6 V8. Like a Ferrari V8.
I thought it was the old, you know, one of the first Lamborghinis.
Oh, well, they resemble lots of parts on it from Lamborghini. Yeah, there was a bit of a parts bin for
the
Miura. Oh, the best, beautiful.
So guys, as you can see, they work on everything from old and new, from drain plugs to full resto, so give them a call if you need anything. There's just surprises everywhere.
I know, look at the metalwork that they do here. So this is the, I think,
3 litre CSL.
3 litre CSL. So here you do all the metalwork, straighten things out.
Yeah, mate, this is like loads of work. I've been on it 3 months.
Have you been working on this car for 3 months?
It was all rotten, man. You can't buy anything really.
So you have to like custom make everything, yeah? This one, isn't it? What's this one?
That's mine. Well, it's not mine, it's my pals. I've been doing this for years. He's Mark II Escort.
Oh, Mark II Escort, yeah?
I've been doing it for years. It was sitting in his garage for years. That's why it's gone all rusty. I'm more of a modifier. You know?
Yeah, so you like modifying things, yeah?
So why are you driving then?
I've got that TT out there.
Oh, the TT, everything on these cars, like custom, innit?
Yeah.
So like right now you're saying you can't find parts for it. It's all what, 1973 you said?
What's your name? Ricky.
Oh, Ricky, nice meeting you. I'm Ricky as well, yeah?
Is that Ricky?
This is the old school Fiat. I think it's a Fiat 500 or what is it? Yeah, it is a Fiat 500, isn't it?
Yep.
Nuva 500 or something.
This is his wife, Shunar Bangla, he says.
Yeah. Is this a motorbike engine?
No, this is off a Subaru.
He says a bar.
Yeah, I think he's put that on, but he told me it's off a Subaru. He's had it fully redone.
Doing like restos, but like it's crazy to see some of the expensive cars they have in here. So I know the 34 is in like safe hands. It's with the right people. So yeah, it's gonna be sick to see once it's all done.
So guys, you could clearly see what Pristine Classic Cars are all about. Mick has told us the car will be ready in a couple of weeks. So stay tuned and stay ready.